Hello there, and welcome to this particular exercise test for maths. Now, here we've got in total 30 various different questions. They're all mixture of different types of questions, okay? And you can do plenty of working out when you're going through these questions as well. But let's have a look at a couple of initial questions. So the first question states, which of these are odd numbers? So to learn odd numbers, you also need to know what even numbers are as well. So let's just write this down here. So odd numbers always end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Even numbers always end in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Okay? So which of these are odd numbers? So if you're looking at this list of numbers here, let's select some odd numbers. So 1 we know is odd because 1 is there. 3 we know is odd because 3 is just there. 5 we know is odd because 5 is there. So in total, we've got 3 numbers here. So we can select 1, 3, and 5 has already been selected for us. Okay. The next question states, which of these are even numbers? So you can see the even numbers by just looking at your screen there. We've got a list of numbers here. So let's select which ones are even numbers. Remember, even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So we've got a number there, which is 2. That's an even number. Good, because it ends in 2. 38 is an even number because it ends with 8. 21 is an odd number. 98 is an even number because again it ends with 8. 65 is an odd number because it ends with 5. And 77 is an odd number because it ends with 7. So in total there, we've got 2, 38, and 98 as our answers there. Okay, good luck with the rest of these questions. Remember, all the questions are very different from each other. And in our next class, we'll be going through these questions one by one. Thank you.